services, along with auto care, auto collision. Looks like we're hooked, we're running, we're ready, we're gonna move the smoke. That's not a good sign. And he got 17 feet out of it. Whoa. I heard metal pop. We got green, we are going. He was sitting second place in the money. Oh, that's right, he had first place. Let's see if he can do better. He was 10 foot short of his last. He gets 138 feet. Stop right there to 240. I'm bringing that plane off the ground. Looks like he gets. I like that.